is beautiful. There's my footprints. I had to go feed my birds. It's so beautiful. Look at the tree. It's got snow on it. Ah, so pretty. Now I'm loving it. But Delana's not. She sent me a video. My mom is loving it. She sent me some videos. It is really coming down. I love it. So I'm about to make me some coffee. I had to go feed my little birds. I looked out and they were at the bird feeders. And I'm like, they need food. So I went and fed them. But now, make me some coffee. I've been in my comments. I'm kind of talking low because James is in bed. He got up and looked at the snow and then went and crawled back in the bed. And you can hear Andy Griffin. It's so surreal to look out the window and see it snowing. It's just so surreal. You need to go outside? Go potty. Go potty. Put your hood on. Go potty. Gonna make a big old pot of soup. Yay! Four. I know you didn't just lock me out. Really? Really?
I did.
I told you it was 4 inches. And you said nah, didn't you? Making me proof. Well, besides keep looking out the windows at the snow and going out in it a couple of times, trying to get Buster to use the bathroom, he refuses. So I took him to the garage one time and he used the bathroom out there. But then I put some pads, like pee pads, up a couple places in the house where he likes to, I found where he goes sometimes. And I put them up in case he goes. I mean, he's not going to go outside. And I guess if he has to go bad enough, he'll go out in the garage if we take him. But it's been an adventure with that part of it, having a pet. I mean, he's never seen snow before. This is his first time ever seeing snow. But I'm cooking him some chicken. My soup is done. It is amazing. I will link a video down below how I make my soup. I just had a little bowl of it. I did my makeup, filmed a devotional, sharing an amazing testimony over there. That'll be going up Thursday. And literally just been sitting around watching it snow. I can't remember I don't even remember the last time we got this much snow. And it don't show any signs of stopping until around 4 o'clock, which is another 3 hours. So, yeah, I did make me a makeshift little thing in the garage so I could spray paint those chickens because I want to get them dry so I can come in here and play with those, like, and work on them, and so I can put them in my booth. But I mean, that wind is blowing and that snow's flying. It just looks like a winter storm. I guess it is, isn't it? Let me stir his chicken real quick. I'll show you what the back looks like. Okay, I'm gonna open the back door and show you what our back porch looks like. James shoveled off the front porch, hoping Buster would go out there. He walked out there, he turned around, he come back in. Look. This is deep south Mississippi, the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We are 5 minutes from the beach. And look at this. I don't know if y'all can see the wind blowing that snow, but look at that. Now, this probably ain't nothing for some of y'all, and I know it's not. But for us, look, the yard, you can't even tell where the snow is level with my flower bed. It's almost level with the back porch. That's crazy. Crazy. It's fun though. So that is what my day has been. James has been watching his shows he watches, but I guess we're fixing to watch a movie. We have been watching The Dog Whisperer, Caesar, on YouTube. We've been watching a lot of those shows at night. Oh my gosh. Let me just show you the front, how it looks with the snow flying. Hold on. I know some of y'all are like, Donna, we know what snow looks like. I know, but we don't get it. Y'all see it flying? Y'all see how much the flag is blowing? Kids playing out there in it. Look at that. Here's where I put some pads there for Buster. Let me show you another one. And right there, I have caught him many times. Well, after the fact, I've walked by and seen it. So, we'll see. Here's my makeshift spray paint area. They're drying, so maybe I'll get to play with them tomorrow because we ain't going nowhere tomorrow either. And I was told these are cream cans. That's a milk can, and the smaller ones are cream cans. So that was interesting to learn. It's exciting for us, y'all. It's so exciting. I love it. All right, I'm gonna go measure the snow.
Start over.
All right, I'm gonna go measure the snow.
Start over.
What? I was doing it every time. I'm gonna go measure the snow.
All right, let's go measure snow.
I got my boots. I'm in my pajamas. Oh my gosh, look, James. Okay, what do we think? What do we think?
I think that's a snowdrift in the backyard.
But how deep do you think it is?
7 inches.
Okay, I'm gonna say 8.
Okay.
10. All right, where else you want me to measure?
Right there at your feet.
My feet? 3.
There you go.
All right, we're gonna go out here. I just gotta see where to step down. Where's the edge of the thing? Right there. Okay. Oh, look, James. Look how deep it is.
4.
I'm gonna say 6.
Okay, say it.
5.5. I'm closer.
You went over. Price is Right rules.
So, how cute am I in the snow?
So cute. I'm fixing to lock you out.
You can't lock me out, James. Woo! Look at my poor chicken. It's up to its breast.
We didn't cover the lemon tree either.
All right, look. Let me go out here and see. What do we think out here, James?
The same.
What'd you say? 4?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 6.
No. You gotta use the same one.
I said 6 before.
No, you did. You said 7.
I said 6. 7. 7 right there.
All right. I'm going inside.
Wait, James, before you do.
I'm going inside.
Before you do, James. You can't lock me out.
Yeah, I can. I just did.
Are you still filming me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I understand now why them people have like the little
Mud room.
Yeah. Oh, James, how much you love me?
You can walk to the hospital.
How much you love me, James? How much you love me?
You can walk to the
How much you
hospital.
love me,
I'm
James?
fixing to put you in the hospital.
That was fun, but I didn't put my cold hands on James. But my hands are freezing. But, James, why was it so fluffy that it wouldn't make a snowball?
Because it hadn't defrosted. It's been below freezing today. So it's still white powdery snow.
It is, and I couldn't even make a snowball. But I was what you. I put my cold hands on James. I'm blinking. Y'all come save me. James, I put my hands on. What?
You can't film tomorrow. You can't record tomorrow.
Why? I'll be black and blue. I'll be black and blue tomorrow. Can't film tomorrow. I almost didn't see Buster. Him's all snuggled up. He don't like this weather. Huh, Bub? You don't like it at all, do you? No, it's not for you. He says, Daddy, please come sit down and warm me back up. I saved your spot for you, Daddy. It's our front yard. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm in my pajama bottoms. Look, let me show you these cute little footprints. Look at those cute little footprints. I don't know if he peed. I guess I would have seen yellow snow if he would have, huh? Look at them little footprints. One last check-in. It's finally stopped snowing for the first time today, and it's 5:20. James has already shoveled off our sidewalk and front porch twice today in hopes that Buster would go out to potty. But this is our front yard, covered, and it's beautiful, but it's gonna be a muddy mess. Here we are. We survived. We survived Snowmageddon 2025.
It's cold, ain't it, Bub?
It's finally stopped snowing at 5:23. Is it going to start back, James?
I hope not.
You're having cabin fever?
Yes.
And ordinarily you would be home anyway, inside.
I want to drive in the snow.
You're not going to drive in the snow.
I want to drive in the snow.
You're going to drive in the snow.
I want to drive in the snow.
Look at Buster. He's like, Daddy, please don't drive in the snow. Bob, are you hating it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, y'all. That is it. That is our snow day. Tomorrow's another snow day.
No.
Yes.
Tomorrow's a drive in the snow day.
No. Thank y'all for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed. It's been a long day, hasn't it?
Long day.
But we've had fun, haven't we?
Oh boy, we've had fun.
All right. I love y'all. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. You not gonna say it?
Tell them bye, Buster. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Attaboy. Bye-bye.